Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today we're doing this makeup look right here. I know like a lot of my videos, my makeup look tends to be more on the like natural side, as natural as it gets. But I personally like that look. I mean, I do love bold colors, blues, pink, purple, green, yellow, whatever. But you know, this particular look is because I'm actually going out and I know this look looks good on me and it works for me. I've done it plenty of times, so you know, here's the look I'm using because tonight I'm going to a friend's wedding. So if you want to know how I got this look and maybe you want to do this look as well for your friend's wedding or for your wedding or for an event, I don't know, stick around because without further ado, we're going to be starting right now. Okay, so I got roughly like an hour and a half to get this makeup look going, and that should be like plenty of time. I mean, because I'm recording right now, that does take up a little bit more time because I'm chit-chatting and talking. I'm not just sitting in front of a mirror and, you know, smacking that makeup in my face. So, let's get it started. Now, I'm taking my Kat Von D in Walnut, and this is their pomade that came out recently, and it highly recommend it. And of course, using that with the brush that it came with. Alright, so my brows are done, and now I'm going in and just priming my lids, getting them ready to be, you know, for my eyeshadow, picture perfect eyeshadow. And any product I don't happen to mention while doing my makeup, I'll list down below, which I normally always do anyway. So yeah, just read the description down below. There's plenty of good information down there, so may I just, you know, suggest you do read it. Alright, so I got my primer on, and so we're gonna dive into the eyeshadow. And today we are revisiting our good friend, our tried and true, you know, has not failed me, Dominique Latte palette. So I've used this eyeshadow like definitely plenty of times, if you can tell by the, you know, how messy it looks when I just showed you an up close of my palette. So yeah, I love this palette, and since I'm going to a wedding, an event that I want to look good in, I don't want to like, you know, for some people when they do makeup, they don't mind kind of like exploring things and trying out new stuff when they're going to a big event. But for me, if I'm going to an event and I want to look good in it, I want to know I'm putting on makeup that I know I'm going to look good in. Like, I've done it before. I've done this look plenty of times. It works for my face, works for my skin tone. It just complements my eyes, what have you. So, I am going with the color Caramel. And we're just going to place that all over my lid, serving as a bone color, a base color, like so. And then picking up the color Vanilla Cream, I'm going to put that right at the high points of my brows, right where your brow bone is. Gives you like a little mini brow lift. Alright, now picking up the Pumpkin Spice. I feel like I haven't used this color in such a long time, but it definitely is one of my favorite colors. We're using that as my overall transition shade. I'm just going to place that back and forth on my lid, from outer corner to the inner corner. And you want to use a light hand because this palette is pigmented. Now we're going in with the color Mocha and placing that on the outer corner of our lid. And then I'm just kind of buffing that out with the previous brush I used. Now I'm going to go in with some foiled shimmer color. And in the palette, I'm picking up the color, let's see, Espresso. A nice foil gold color. So we're going to pick up the color on this brush and then just spray a little bit of that and place that on our eyes. So you don't have to wet your brush, but it does help if you want the look to be more amplified. So that is up to you. I mean, I am going to a wedding event, so why not kind of amp up the look a little bit, you know? Okay, so as if this look is not amped up enough, I mean, you can kind of leave it here, put on your eyeliner, your lashes, all that good stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and put on my heavy metal, Urban Decay heavy metal glitter. And this is the one in the color Midnight Cowboy. It's a gold glitter. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to place this right on top of the shimmer color that I used. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face and use your favorite primer. The one I'm using is a hydrating primer. I mean, my face is dry, so any form of hydration is a must for me. And now we are going in with my tried and true foundation. This works for me all the time. If I'm going out somewhere, it's like what I use all the time. Love this foundation. Go in with your Hourglass or whatever foundation you're using and just draw that all over your face. And then pick up your brush and blend that baby out. Alright, now I'm gonna bronze up my face a little bit, but not too much. I've been bronzing up my face a lot lately, and by that I mean like for the past like week, and that is a lot to me because I don't really bronze or contour, but I'm really trying to get into it because I feel like it looks really pretty, and I feel like I'm never going to get good at it if I don't practice it. So what better way to practice it than right here in front of camera, in front of the whole entire world? You know what I'm saying? Alright, so I think that looks pretty good. And I'm going to go in with my cheek stain. I feel like this creamy cheek stain, it just looks more flushed and natural looking. At least to me it does, so for my highlight, I'm picking up my Maybelline Holographic highlight. And then for my lips, I'm using my YSL Lipstick. It's like a orange base, like orangey, pinky, peachy color. I had this for a while, so. Alright, you guys, this is the final look that I'm wearing, and I just went ahead and kind of finished up the whole entire face, put some setting spray on, and here we are at the end of the video. Alright, so if you like videos like this, go ahead and click that like button down below. That does help me a lot, and I do truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe right up here where my face is, and watch my previous videos right below here if you wish. And of course, don't forget to click on the notification bell, because every time I upload, you get notified, and that way you won't miss out on any episodes, videos, or whatever you want to call it. Alright, so I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!